Magento 2 typically generates invoices automatically, but there can be exceptions. When orders need invoicing before payments, you need to get hands-on. In this video, we'll guide you through creating an invoice using the Magento 2 admin panel. Let's get started. A Magento 2 invoice is a payment record for orders placed on an online store. It documents all transactions and details of your Magento 2 store purchases. Let's walk through the steps to create an invoice in Magento 2. First, log into your Magento 2 admin panel. Under Sales, select Orders. Here, choose the Magento order you want to invoice. Then, select View in the Action column. Afterward, click the Invoice option in the header of the order. This will take you to the New Invoice page. Next, let's create a shipment. On the New Invoice page, generate a packing slip for shipping. Click the Create Shipment checkbox in the Shipping Information section. Add a tracking number by clicking the Add Tracking Number button and enter all the required details. You can also create an email copy of the Magento invoice. Just select the Email Copy of Invoice checkbox to send the customer notification. Save the invoice by clicking Submit Invoice, which changes the order status from pending to complete. You can even print a Magento invoice for your records. Go to Order View. Click on Invoices and View. Click on Print to save your PDF copy. And that's where we end today's video. Proper Magento invoice management promotes trust, enhances processes, and increases customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching the tutorial on creating and managing a Magento invoice. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more. See you next time.